Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patrick, and partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, no video yesterday, it wasn't enough price action. We did spike down just below the next, that 40.15 level. Coming back up, that's why it's helpful. It gives you areas to pinpoint no matter what you're doing. So, showed how that worked. We can take off those levels, the upside levels. Back to rotation zone, and then rotating back down very strongly, spiking through our 39.65 level. I'll show you exactly where it hit a very key level on the daily chart, so we'll get to that in a second. So we can update these levels now to take it down here, and look at that, we have a cluster at 39.10 right in here, so that's if continue down, that's the next major level going down. On any rally, first area of resistance we'll be watching for, if you come over here to the left, we'll be watching for about 39.70 area, so where it closed essentially here, and that's where this key resistance is to the left. Then on a stronger rally, we'd be watching for a return to the rotation zone, which is coming in about 4,000 right now. Very strong rally would take us to the top of the rotation zone, which was coming in at 40.31. Remember, those are going to keep shifting as time goes by. Let me switch over to that daily chart now. And you can see dead stop right on the 50-day exponential moving average. So that provided some clear support right here. This did spike through it. Nothing always works 100% of the time, but it's been pretty good. Stopping just in front of it here, stopping there, dead stop so far today. That's why we use some of these key moving averages, as they tend to help us identify the key levels that we're watching for. So, get to that 39.10 level, then we'll be watching for about 38.84, which is right down by this spike low, and it's an area over here of some prior support. Below there, it would be then 38.60. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum holding for a bit at this key cluster area we talked about, this 136, mid 136 level, coming back to rotation zone, and then also selling off, spiking just below our 133.43 level, getting down to what was a 133.05 before pausing a bit now. So we're back below this 133.43 level. Then we'll be watching for about 132, 131.90. We'll call it 132. There's also a major cluster of 131.25. So there's some key support. If you look over there, in this area down there is where we had some of these spike lows. So on a continued sell-off, that's the next area to watch for. On any rally, this prior support area and this cluster now becomes resistance, and essentially it's all the way from 136 to about 137 is the key resistance zone on any rally. So we'll switch over to the daily chart after I remove those levels. Daily chart, let's see. All right, we got the across the rotation zone. We have to start seeing if it separates, because it's not much help right now. If we did have a strong rally, I'd be watching for a return to 138. We're all below the 50 on here, which could be some minor resistance. I'd really be watching this cluster area on any rally, though. That is really about it. So that brings you up to speed with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.